Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A person who is more thankful to Allah, that person gets more blessings of Allah in the form of rizq. Rizq of that person is increased, and also status of respect and regard is increased, and the person's position within the society become prominent. So this is blessings of Allah that have been mentioned in Surah Ibrahim, that when you will become more thankful to me, I will give you more rizq. So this rizq is possible more when we will be more thankful to Allah. MashaAllah. So this way, if you think now about your health, if you will be thankful for your health, then Allah will provide you more barakah in your health also. So your health will be, mashallah, so much with barakah, that no disease, no illness will come near to you. So alhamdulillah, you will be completely safe and sound, and your health will be secured. Because the people, they pay insurance, but this your health will be insured with being thankful to Allah. So when you will be more thankful to Allah for your health, Allah will be more mashallah blessing you with barakah of your health, and you will get no trouble, no problem, no disease, no illness in your life, and you will spend a smooth life in this world. So this is, mashallah, so much blessings of Allah. So today we are learning a dua that is actually to make this dua to make us thankful to Allah for our health. And inshallah, this way we will get more barakah in health, and our health will become, mashallah, so much strong, and you will see that no any illness, disease will come to us. So we will be more strong, mashallah, with the blessings of Allah. Alhamdulillah, we try our best. So we read this dua. This dua is also mentioned in Hadith book Trimzi, and I'm reading, and then you can continue at least when you wake up. After wake up, you can read this dua. That will be better also. But if you forget, then you can read any time throughout the day. That will be more better, inshallah. So I read the dua. Alhamdulillah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi allazi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa azna li bi zikrihi. Alhamdulillahi allazi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa azna li bi zikrihi. Alhamdulillah, I'm thankful to Allah. Thanks and praise to be Allah. Thanks and praise be to Allah. Allazi afani, who has blessed me health. Fi jasadi, and also made my body strong. Wa radda alayya ruhi, and who has returned my soul to me. Wa azina li bi zikrihi, and who has allowed me to remember him. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah, hillazi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa azna li bi zikrihi. Thanks and praise be to Allah, who gave strength to my body and returned my soul to me and allowed me to remember him. MashaAllah. So try to read this one. Inshallah, you will get the benefit of it throughout the day, So you will have no any illness, no any problem, no any disease coming to you. Your whole day will be with the blessings of Allah, with the health that is ensured. You are you must understand that your health is secured and insured when you are reciting this dua. So try to do in the morning after wake up, then you will enjoy the whole day with good health. Alhamdulillah, Hillazi afani fi jasadi wa radda alayya ruhi wa azinali bi zikrihi. Allah gave us tawfiq to request with thanks this dua every day so that we should be connected with Allah with the special request of thanks to get more health, more insurance, more security of our health to make our this life more better for the other life that we have to return. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.